Stop right here if you're already financially free, but if you're not, then listen, because the next few minutes might completely change how you handle your money. Most people go through life working hard and still never feel financially secure. Why? Because nobody taught us these 10 secrets I'm about to share. Stay with me. Some of these will absolutely blow your mind. Secret 1. Track every single rupee or dollar that comes in and goes out. When I first started freelancing, I had no idea where my money was going. Then I started writing down every coffee, every cab ride, and I found I was leaking over $50 a month. That alone helped me save and redirect money to real goals. Secret 2. Create a simple budget that actually works for you. You don't need fancy software. A basic app or even a notebook works. What matters is giving every amount you earn a purpose. Bills, investments, fun, and savings. Secret 3. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, save a small fixed amount. Even when I earn just a few $100s a month, I set aside 10%. Over time, this habit created a safety net that changed everything. Secret 4. Invest early, even small amounts. I invested $20 in a mutual fund when I barely had anything. Years later, that small step taught me the power of compounding. Your money quietly working while you sleep. Secret 5. Build an emergency fund. Life throws surprises. Job loss, health issues, repairs. When my car broke down, I had the cash ready. No panic, no debt spiral. That's what an emergency fund does. Secret 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income grows, don't instantly upgrade everything. I remember getting my first big paycheck and wanting the latest phone, but I held back, invested instead, and watched my savings grow. Secret 7. And understand the true cost of debt. Here's something that blew my mind. A $500 credit card debt, if ignored, can double in just a few years because of interest and late fees. That's how banks make money off us. Pay high-interest debts first and never ignore them. Secret 8. Diversify your income. Don't rely only on one salary or one client. Start a side hustle, freelance, or explore a passion project. When I added a small online gig, it became my backup plan when work slowed down. Secret 9. Talk about money with your family. Share where your investments are. Write down important details. I've seen people lose track of thousands because no one knew about an old policy or account. Secret 10. Have clear goals. When you know what you're saving for, a house, travel, education, every decision becomes easier. You stop wasting money and start moving towards something bigger. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you want me to create a detailed video on any of these, let me know below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ever Wealthy, and turn on the bell so you never miss tips that actually work.